Hi everybody, welcome to Aga Math. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about subtraction using Vedic maths. This method is called Nikilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. Nikilam means it is a sutra, it's a called formula. Navatascharamam, all from 9, but Dashataha, last from 10. Okay, so generally we call this method basic complement method. So what is basic complement method? How do we use this for calculating subtractions very faster? So I suggest all the school children, we are not supposed to apply this method in your school exams. This is only for competitive examinations if you would like to do subtraction of large numbers. Right? So let us see. How do we apply this method for faster calculations using subtractions, right? So first of all, before going to know about the basic complement methods, few things to be remembered. For example, what will be added to 1 to get 10? So I hope 9 is added, we all know that. So 1 plus 9 is 10. What is added to 2 to get 10? 8, right? 2 plus 8, 10. So 8 is added to 2 to get 10, or 2 is added to 8 to get 10. So if you observe like this, complement, what is a complement of 1 means 9, and 9 is a complement of 1. 2 is a complement of 8, and 8 is a complement of 2. 3 is a complement of 7, 7 is a complement of 3. 4 is a complement of 6, 6 is a complement of 4. 5 is a complement of 5. So if you remember this complement method, like about which number is complement to what, of one digited only. Because here in this method we are not supposed to using borrowing method. Like we don't take any borrow for doing subtractions, for calculating subtractions. So first of all, let me revise, let me recollect how do we learn subtractions in the school, right? మనం స్కూల్లో సబ్ట్రాక్షన్స్ని ఎలా నేర్చుకున్నామో ఒక్కసారి చూద్దాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 57 minus 32. సో వాట్ వీ డూ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. స్కూల్లో అలాగే కదండి చేసేది, రైట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ అంటే కుడి నుంచి ఎడమ వైపు ప్రాసెస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. లైక్ ఈ ఫ్రమ్ యూనిట్స్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్, దెన్ టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, సో ఆన్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్, రైట్? సో 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this we do in the school level. అంటే స్కూల్లో జనరల్గా చేసేది మనం, అంటే రైట్ టు లెఫ్టే. దిస్ ఈస్ అ బేసిక్ మెథడ్. అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా సబ్ట్రాక్షన్స్ మనం నేర్చుకున్న పద్ధతి ఏంటంటే ఇలానే చేస్తాం, రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. అంటే ఏ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చినా కానివ్వండి, లైక్ 68 minus 34. సో 8 minus 4 is 4, and 6 minus 3 is 3. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఇదే చేస్తాం మనం, right? So here this is a regular method which we follow in our school, right? Here if you observe these numbers, no need of taking any borrowing, means the numbers are like this here we have taken. When there is no borrowing, even if you do from general method or another, like from left to right also you get the same. 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 2 5, 6 minus 3 3, 8 minus 4 4. Means when you do from the right to left or left to right, it doesn't change. Right to left or left to right, result doesn't change because there is no borrowing, right? But let us take which involves borrowing, like 78 minus 29. So here if I do like from left to right, 7 minus 2 5, but 8 minus 9 question mark, right? Question mark. So when you do from left to right, you get a doubt how to do. Yes, this basic complement method we use, the method we use from left to right. ఈ బేసిక్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ మెథడ్లో మనం లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైటే చేస్తాము. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అవసరం లేదండి. వీ ఆర్ నో నీడ్ టు థింక్ హౌ టు డూ ఇఫ్ యూ లిజన్ దిస్. ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పేది కనుక మీరు వినగలిగి అర్థం చేసుకోగలిగితే అది చాలా ఈజీ. ఇఫ్ యూ లిజన్ అండ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజియర్. సో లెట్ us see, let me take the same number here, 78 minus 29. ఆబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ, జాగ్రత్తగా గమనించండి ఎలా చేస్తాం, లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్. సో 7 minus 2 5. whenever you need to borrowing something, ఎప్పుడైతే బారోయింగ్ తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటామో అప్పుడు, అంటే ఇక్కడ బారోయింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్లో లైక్ 7 minus 2 5 తర్వాత మనం బారో చేద్దాం చేస్తేనే ఇది వస్తుంది అనుకున్నప్పుడు, అప్పుడు దీని ప్రిసీడింగ్ నెంబర్, దెన్ వి రైట్ ద ప్రిసీడింగ్ ఆఫ్ 5 is what 4. అండ్ దెన్ హియర్ ఇప్పుడు బారో అవసరం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్రిసీడింగ్ రాసాము. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ 9? 1. సో 1 ప్లస్ complement of 9 is 1. So 1 plus 8, 9. So 49 is the answer. Let me take another number. ఇంకొక నెంబర్ చూద్దాం. 368 minus 275. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 7, no. అంటే ఇక్కడ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయలేమని. ఎప్పుడైతే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయలేకపోతున్నామో ఈ రాసిన దానికి ప్రిసీడింగ్ అంటే దీని బిఫోర్ నెంబర్ లైక్ మీన్స్ 0. సో 0 ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో 6 minus 7 చేయకుండా ఏం చేస్తాము, వితౌట్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ లైక్ దిస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ 7? 7 యొక్క కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏంటి? 3, రైట్? సో 7 కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఈజ్ 3. సో 3 plus 6, 9. 8 minus 5 వితౌట్ క్యారింగ్ ఇక్కడ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ రాసేస్తాం. 8 minus 5, 3. So the answer is 93. Right? Let us take one. Before you watch the video, subscribe it. Click on the bell icon for more notifications. More number here. 798 minus 279. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. అంటే మనం క్యారింగ్ లేకుండా పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. హియర్ వితౌట్ బారోయింగ్ లేకుండా పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని మార్చాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో 9 minus 7 is 2. Now 8 minus 9 you cannot. సో ఇక్కడ హియర్ you cannot subtract this without borrowing. In this sense, in this case, this will be written as preceding of 2 is 1. So 9 complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 8, 9. So the answer is 519. Let us take a few more examples here. Like 564 minus 398. So very simple. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 9. Here you need to actual borrow. So whenever you get borrow, so here instead of this I write 1. Right? So 9 complement is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 8 complement. So 4 minus 8 you cannot. So that this is 6. Now 8 complement is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So what is the result? 166. So like this we do in this basic concept, complement method. So here what I do is 756 minus 268. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 6 I need to borrow. So whenever you get like in this case, we write the preceding of 5 as 4. So now complement of 6 borrow చేయకుండా complement of 6 is 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 minus 8 again you need to borrow in this case. So we just write its preceding number 8. And what is the complement of 8? 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. So its result is 488. So this is how do we do calculations. Let us see with few more numbers. ఇంకొన్ని numbers ఒకసారి చూద్దామండి. So here I write like 74,125 minus 36,513. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 6 means actually here you need borrowing. So for in that case preceding of this ఎక్కడైతే borrowing అవసరం ఉంటుందో దానికి దీని preceding 3 రాస్తాము. We write like this, and here so complement of 6 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Again we need borrow here. So in this case preceding of this 8 is 7. Complement of 5 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. No need of borrowing, so no need to change. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the final result is 37,612. Right? Now let us see one more number. 98,000. So 9,85,463 minus 3,49,872. So 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 9, we need borrowing. In this case preceding of this is 3 and 9 complement is 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Now 4 minus 8 we need. So this preceding 8 complement is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Now 6 minus 7, so borrowing. In this case complement of this is 5. So 7 complement is what? Complement 7 complement 3. 3 plus 6, 9. And then 3 minus 2, 1. So what is the final result? 6,35,591. Clear? So let us take one more larger number. Okay, let us take one more larger number. So you may feel very easier. అంటే ఎంత పెద్ద నెంబర్నైనా ఈ బేసిక్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ మెథడ్లో క్యారింగ్ చేయకుండా బారోయింగ్ చేయకుండా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చండి. సో లెట్ మీ టేక్ లార్జర్ నెంబర్ హియర్. 6, 5, 9, 8, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 4, 9, 5, 8, 3, 9, 6, 7, 9, 2, 3, 5, 8. So ela minus 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 8 you cannot. So preceding of this is 0, no need. So 8 complement is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 9, no. So complement of this is 5. Complement of 9 is 1, right? So 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, right? So that now 2 minus 6 not possible, so its preceding is 8. So complement of 6 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now 4 minus 7 not possible, so its preceding is 5. So the complement of 7 is 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 minus 9 not possible, so its preceding is 6. So complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Right? Now 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. Now 4 minus 5 not possible, so its preceding is 2. Now 5 complement is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 minus 8, 1. So final the answer result is 7, 5, 8, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 9, 1. This is the result. You can check it. Let me take one more number here, like 5, 0, 7, 7. Sorry. 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 9 minus 3, 8, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7 5 4 8. So within a single step, if you really practice in the before whatever you have listened, within a single step we can calculate this, like 8 minus 3 5. So as it is possible here, so I write 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. As it is not possible, so preceding of 1 is 0. So 5 complement is 5. 5 plus 3 8, but it is not possible, so its preceding is 7. 6 complement is 4. 4 plus 4 8. As it is not possible, so its preceding is 7. Now 8 complement is 2. 2 plus 5 7, but here it is not possible, so I write its preceding is 6. 9 complement is 1, so 1 plus 6 7. As it is not possible, so I write its preceding. 7 complement is 3. 3 plus 5 8, but as it is not possible here, so I write its preceding. 5 complement is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9, but it is not possible, so I write its preceding 8. Now 4 complement is 6. 6 plus 2 8. As it is possible, no need to change 8, and this is 1. So see, within a short time we have calculated this very easily. If you really do a process in actual subtraction, like borrowing and doing it, you would like to take more time, but this, if you really practice within a short period, within a lesser time, you can subtract any larger number, you can calculate very easily. So again, I suggest school children, if you really would like to learn subtraction in a regular method, do it, but this method is to be applied only for the competitive examinations where you need to. And this is not only for the school children, it is also for everybody who would like to go with the competitive examinations. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for listening. For any queries, you can give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.